The Lantern Festival on the river is one of the most breathtaking cultural celebrations in the world, turning quiet waterways into glowing streams of light. As night falls, wooden boats adorned with colorful paper lanterns drift along the water, their golden glow reflecting on the surface like scattered stars. Families, friends, and travelers gather on the banks, many boarding the boats to release lanterns carrying personal wishes, prayers, or blessings. This magical tradition can be experienced in several countries, each adding its own unique touch. In Hoi An, Vietnam, the Thu Bon River becomes a living tapestry of color during the monthly full moon lantern festival. In Thailand, the Loy Krathong celebration sees candlelit offerings floated on rivers, canals, and lakes across the country. Japan holds the Toro Nagashi ceremony, where paper lanterns are released to honor ancestors, with famous displays in Kyoto and Hiroshima. In China, the Lantern Festival at the end of Lunar New Year often features boats and glowing floats along city rivers. Taiwan's Pingxi district, while famous for sky lanterns, also has communities where water lanterns drift through the night. The video captures this shared beauty across cultures, from close-up shots of hands gently lowering lanterns into the water, to sweeping aerial views of entire rivers shimmering in harmony. You'll hear traditional music, soft laughter, and the gentle splash of oars as lanterns slowly float away. Beyond its visual magic, the festival carries deep meaning, a way to celebrate unity, honor the past, and welcome new beginnings. Whether you witness it in Vietnam, Thailand, Japan, China, or Taiwan, each glowing lantern tells a story of hope and human connection. Step into this river of light and experience a tradition that blends art, nature, and shared humanity.